aren't even trick candles, are they? Are they?
They're supposed to be.
Oh.
Apparently they don't work very well.
Hey, just wait long enough, the wind will blow them out.
Was it stick candles?
Oh, the one came back. There it goes.
He doesn't think it's funny.
Jason's back. That's back.
Hey, Jay.
You gotta blow harder, man. There you go. You still got a couple, bud. You better get them blown out. You're gonna ruin your cake.
You got one back there too. Right there. See it?
Right in front of you. Is that it?
Nope. There's one right here. There's one right here too.
Hey, the ship one stayed out.
Yay!
Watch it go back on there.
Oh, that one.
The middle one. I thought you were getting them out. Must not be blowing hard.
Oh my God! How long are we going to stay here doing this? Until he can stay out.
Did you get them?
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Oh! Wait.
There's one right
Back it up. Reverse.
Now blow on him again. Blow on him. Uh-oh. That was somebody
There's a fire. It needs a firefighter. You better get him out.
That bird.
Want me to help you?
Yes. Here. There.
Are they all done now?
Yes. Thank God.
That was fun.